This is an antique Singer model 127 with Sphinx decals. Serial number is G5164093, which dates it to 1917. This is the 127 that has the bobbin winder located up on the cord guard, where if it was a 27 it would be mounted down here. The base, the wooden base and the hand crank do not come with the machine. They're for demonstration purposes only. There is a boss or a hub for mounting a motor or hand crank, but it is a treadle machine. And I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. One of the reasons why I use a hand crank is so you get full speed of the machine, where typically if a machine misses stitches, it'll miss them at higher speeds where it won't at the slower speeds. And there you can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides.